Today, ET Transport has invited me to give you a tour and demonstration of their new 2020 Eagle Tarp System. Okay, let's start with our demo, and I'll show you how easy this system is to operate. We have to go to the back and release the tension off the tarp system. So to do that, we've got to unfasten the door and get it rolled up. So if we take the bungee cords off each side, loosen the flaps, and secure them at the side with their bungee cords. Also on the rear door, we've come up with a new locking mechanism. It's right here, this bar. All you have to do is just pull down the bar and that releases it. The idea of this locking bar holds the tarp nice and tight and will save wear and tear on your Velcro. We'll get this loosened off. Same thing, the bar's on this side, just pull down gently and that loosens it. I always like to pull the tarp loose and we can roll it up. Then we have to fasten it around here, loop it up a couple of times and hang it on there, and then we can secure the door flaps. The next step is to loosen this off, the tension on the tarp, and we have a two-step ratchet on this. It comes off by just releasing it, and then you can do a quick release on it. Pull the straps loose, unhook the bars, and we have to do the same on this side. Again, two steps, takes the tension off the tarp, and then we have it ready to roll. So what we can do from here, we can roll it all the way to the front. It's nice and easy to roll. And with this, the Eagle tarping system, this is so much easier and quicker than the old traditional way of throwing tarps, which take you 2.5 hours to cover a load. This, you can do it within minutes. One of the new features we have is our locking mechanism. You can see it on the card on the other side. All you have to do is flip that down, and it'll lock into one of our washers or bolts on the track. And you can do that through anywhere on the trailer. So we'll continue pushing this towards the front. It rolls nice and easy. And then once you get it up to the front, you can lock it in place and it'll stay there, and you can load the rest of the deck. If you need to load at the front, we can come up here, and with the new front air, which is located right under here, just pull the lever, it'll unlock, and you can open it from here. And you can push it all the way to the back. And once it gets going, it'll pretty much go by itself. So we can continue and take this all the way to the back, and you can load on the front of your deck. Once it's loaded, we pull all this towards the front again. Comes into the headboard, hit the latch, and it's locked now at the front. So now what we can do to complete tarping this system, closing the system up, we go to the back. And once the system's pulled back here, we put our locking bars in place, pull the strap all the way down and through, and you can start tightening the system. And we do the same on this side. And make sure you pull that strap all the way through, because if not, it'll wind around and you won't get the tarp tight enough. That should make it good and tight. So now we're all set to close it up. So what we do, take our rope, let it roll down, pull the bars down, lock it in place. Okay, so we got the door closed up. Take the flaps, pull it across, bang it onto the Velcro, take your bungee cords, bring them across and lock them in. Do the same on this side. And we're all set to go. That's it, all tied up. Tarp's nice and tight, and now you're all set to drive down the road. Thank you for taking the tour with me. For more information, please visit our website, www.verduyntarps.com, and see the Eagle Tarping System.